former president, I humbly believe that the former president and his war on drugs never complied with the requirements of due process. The statistics show, Mr. President, the huge number of victims of war on drugs. If my memory serves me right, during the time of Aquino administration, there are like around 200, and during the present administration, there are around like 200 victims as well of war on drugs. Given these statistics, Mr. Chair, this is almost or around 31,000 victims of war on drugs if indeed they follow the requirement of due process. Wala po dapat ganito karaming patay. At ang dapat, maraming kaso na pending in court.